Hey, what's up everybody? I'm about to go see my chickens. I'm gonna give them a banana peel. Why not? Here's the coop. Engineer these little locks. Lock. Open this. Open that. And we have chickens. My dog wants to come see them. You cannot see these chickens. This guy's just pecking at the ground. Here. Oh, there we go. We got one eating. This guy's interested. Or girl. This girl. I think they're more interested in their food than the banana, but they're eating it, and I bet tomorrow these peels will be completely gone. So are banana peels good food?
Yes, I think so.
Hit like if you like chickens down there, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks guys.